We're taking a live look of downtown Fort Wayne. For folks heading out to work this morning, are going to be out and about. Here's what the current conditions are. We're seeing partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are a little bit cool this morning. We are into the low 30s, but it is going to be a breezy Saturday. Let me show you what the future track with sustained winds show. Now this morning, it's going to show winds coming out from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles an hour. But as you get around about 2 o'clock this afternoon, we'll start to see those winds start to pick up around 10 to 20 miles an hour. And at times, these winds could be gusting up to 30 miles an hour. But that's going to bring that warm air as we'll continue to get that warm air coming out from the southwest. But the reason why I'm talking about the winds is that look at the 24-hour temperature change. We are about 10 to even 13 degrees warmer from this time compared to Friday morning. You know, the past couple of days comparing temperatures, Thursday we were very chilly. We were into the 30s. Yesterday we saw highs in the 40s, but today we're going to be in the low 60s. But if you add the wind chill factor, probably around into the low 50s. But don't worry, Easter winds will calm down and we'll be into the upper 60s, maybe even near 70s in some regions. And then for Easter Monday, we'll be in the 70s. So we start to see a nice little warmer trend, and that will continue for next week. And so let me talk about the weather headlines for your Easter weekend. So I talked about the breezy Saturday, seeing winds between 10, 20 miles an hour, gusting up to 30 miles an hour. Talked about the temperatures warming back up into the upper 60s, near 70s by Sunday. But now we will be staying dry. Let me show you what's going on. So here's our storm track radar. We have a high pressure system down towards our south. So that's what's bringing those breezy conditions, but it's also going to bring that warm air coming out from the south. And then with the clouds this morning, it will be short-lived. It's from a weak disturbance that's passing through our region at this moment. But as we get towards this afternoon, once that system exits, we're going to see the sunshine continuing. So here's the future track with precipitation. Again, clouds this morning, but by 10 o'clock, the sun shines back, and that will continue throughout this afternoon. By 4 o'clock. Nothing but blue skies here, so great day to be outside. As we get towards tonight, we'll see a few passing clouds, but overall, clouds will be mainly back into about 9 a.m. Sunday morning. So if you are heading out to church for Easter service for tomorrow, it will be cloudy, but we will be dry. Sunshine will be peeking back out at times around about 4 to 5 o'clock, but overall, still not too bad of a weekend. So here's a recap for your out-the-door forecast. It is going to be a chilly start to our Saturday, but temperatures will warm back up into the 60s. Again, we're going to be breezy. So again, even though our highs will be in the 60s, it's going to feel a lot like in the low 50s. As we get towards tonight, we'll see a few passing clouds. Winds will start to calm down. Overnight lows will be much more comfortable into the low 40s. And as we get towards tomorrow for Easter, it will be comfortable for some Easter egg hunts. Highs reaching around the upper 60s, low 70s, partly cloudy skies. Will continue to be even warmer for your extended forecast. 70s into Monday as we get towards into Wednesday. Still pretty warm in the 70s, but as we get towards into Wednesday night into Thursday, a storm system will bring some scattered showers. But overall, 60s and 70s, more consistent temperatures this week.
Matthew, I think that's one of the biggest things is the fact of having that consistency, because that's when people begin to get sick and begin to just get tired when it's just those roller coaster temperatures, right?
Yeah, my sinuses did not like the 30s, 40s, and 60s and 70s. Just get me more consistent, the 60s and 70s. That's what I love. Let's keep it like that.
I can definitely relate to that, and we hope everyone enjoys that Easter sunshine outside tomorrow. Thank you for that forecast, Matthew. Coming up next on ABC 21 Weekend Morning News, good news for people who have been fully vaccinated from the coronavirus. You can celebrate with family and friends this holiday, and hopefully it's one of the last holidays that we have to be restricted. We'll tell you more next.